So today's topic is pharmacognosy 1. It includes introduction to pharmacognosy, a brief history of natural products in medicine, value of natural drug products, production of natural drug products, the role of natural products in drug discovery, general principle of botany, morphology, and systematics. The history of natural product in medicine. A great proportion of the natural product used as drugs. The study of drug used by traditional healers is an important object of pharmacognostical research. Sumerians and Akkadians, 3rd millennium BC. Next is the Egyptian Abrus Papyrus, 1550 BC. They use the basic principles of pharmacognosy and treat the various diseases. And author of Antiquity is Hippocrates, 460 to 377 BC, known as the father of medicine. Then Dioscorides, 40 to 80 AD. De Materia Medica, they have written the book De Materia Medica, includes 600 medicinal plants. The Islamic era, Ibn al-Tabari, 770 to 850. Then the era of European exploration overseas, 16th to 17th century. I go to 18th century pharmacognosy, John Adams, 1759 to 1809. Linnaeus, naming and classifying the plants. These are the contributions of various scientists or researchers in different era. At the end of the 18th century, crude drugs were still being used as a powders, simple extracts, or tinctures. The era of pure compounds in 1803, a new era in the history of medicine. Then isolation of morphine from opium was invented. Then strychnine in 1817, quinine and caffeine in 1820, nicotine in 1828, atropine in 1833, and still we are using the atropine. Then cocaine in 1855. In the 19th century, the chemical structures of many of the isolated compounds were determined. In the 20th century, the discovery of important drugs from the animal kingdom, particularly hormones and vitamins. Microorganisms have become a very important source of drug definitions in the field of pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy, it is the science of biogenic or natural derived pharmaceuticals and poisons. Crude drugs, it is used for those natural products such as plant or parts of plants, extracts and exudates, which are not pure compounds. Ethnobotany, it is a broad term referring to the study of plant by humans. Ethnomedicine, it refers to the use of plant by humans as medicine. Traditional medicine, it is the sum total of all mainstream medical practices, usually excluding so-called Western medicine. Natural product, they can be entire organism, plant, animal or organism, part of an organism, a leaf or flower of a plant, an isolated organ, other organ of the animal, an extract or an exudate of an organism. Isolated pure compounds. Types of drug delivered from plant include herbal drugs derived from specific plant parts of a medicinal plant. Compound isolated from nature. Nutraceuticals or functional foods. Value of natural products. Compounds from natural sources play 4 significant roles in modern medicine. They provide a number of extremely useful drugs that are difficult, if not possible, to produce commercially by synthetic means. Natural sources also supply basic compounds that may be modified slightly to render them more effective or less toxic. Their utility as prototypes or models for synthetic drugs possessing physiological activity similar to originals, like salicylic acid, aspirin, ibuprofen. Some natural products contain compounds that demonstrate little or no activity themselves, but which can be modified by chemical or biological methods.